Good morning, dear children. Today Saturday is there, and on Saturday we have to do the revision about what we saw in the last week or in the whole week. So, about our SST period, we have completed the first lesson of the SST, that is our national symbols. Children, you can see in this picture there are different types of national symbols. For example, lotus, flag, emblem, tiger, banyan tree, again Ganga river dolphin, again mango, which is our national fruit. So these all national symbols represents our country. Every country has its own national symbols. So by these symbols we can easily identify about our country. Understood, children? So let's see a short recap of this lesson. When we see this type of picture, or when we hoist the flag in the school or in the offices or government offices, yes children, when we are going to celebrate the national festivals or the national days, that time we are hoisting the flag. There are some rules for it. Then our first national symbol is our national flag, which contains three colors in it. The first one is saffron, second one is white, and third one is green. So children, the saffron color represents what? Now you will tell me. Yes? Yes children, the saffron color represents courage, sacrifice, isn't it? White color represents purity, truth, or we can say honesty, peace, isn't it? Yes, this quality represents white color or white band, which is on our national flag. Then the last one is the green color. Green color represents fertility, growth. It means prosperity, which shows our progress, isn't it? So in this way our national flag we saw. But children, exact at the center of the national flag there is one navy blue color wheel is there. What we call to them? What we call that navy blue color wheel? Yes, it is known as Ashok Chakra. See here, it is known as Ashok Chakra. On that Ashok Chakra there are total 24 spokes. The line you see on this Ashok Chakra, no? that are called spokes, and they are total 24. And do you know one thing? Who designed our national flag? Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah, who was the freedom fighter. You can see his picture on the screen. So this is the Pingali Venkaiah, and he designed our national flag, who was a freedom fighter. Understood till here? Very good. Now the next one is our national anthem. What is our national anthem, my children? Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem, which was adopted on 24th of January 1950. And the national anthem Jana Gana Mana was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. You can see his picture on the screen. Who composed our national anthem? Yes, it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. And children, originally this national anthem originally composed in which language? In the Bengali. And can you tell me when we sing this national anthem? Yes, in school during assembly every day we sing this national anthem. But specially when? Yes, when the national days are there, or when the celebration of national festivals just like Independence Day, Republic Day. So on these special days we sing the national anthem to pay tribute to our country. Understood? Next is national song. What is our national song? Yes children, our national song is Vande Mataram. So our national song Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in Sanskrit language. In which language, children? In Sanskrit language. So the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee composed our national song in Sanskrit language. Then this is our national emblem. Our national emblem has the 4 lions. That is why it is known as the lion capital. And these 4 lions are facing towards the 4 main direction. But one lion is hidden from the view. This national emblem is adapted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. What is meant by emblem, children? Emblem means a picture with motto. So what is the motto here? Yes, Satyameva Jayate is the motto which is always written below the national emblem. Do you know what is the meaning of Satyameva Jayate? Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumph. Triumph means a great victory or achievement. Again, this lion capital, this national emblem is mounted on a circular based pillar. So below these 4 lions, we can see the chakras, horse, bull, elephants, etc. And again, we can see this national emblem on the government documents or identification marks like this. See here. The emblem forms a part of all official government's documents like identification documents, passport, voter ID and the currency of the India. We can see this national emblem on notes and coins, even on the passport and the voter ID also. You can see it on in the picture. Now we'll see other national symbols. So the Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal, which represents power and strength. The peacock is our national bird. It is the symbol of beauty and grace. Then the lotus is our national flower. It represents dignity, wealth and knowledge. The banyan tree is our national tree. And the Indian elephant is our national heritage animal. You can see these all pictures. Understood everyone? Very good. So now this is the important thing, that the national symbols of a country gives its citizens a sense of belonging to the country and unite them. So it is thus essential for us to respect and preserve them. It is very important thing, my dear children, that we have to respect our national symbols and we have to preserve them. So this is the short recap of the first lesson, that is our national symbol. So now we are going to do some activities, or we are going to solve some worksheets about this lesson. Okay? So by solving worksheets or by doing different activities, we can do the revision of this lesson. So here is your activities. Yes, children. Your first activity is, here is a word search or word puzzle is given, and below that puzzle all the national symbols are given. So you know this thing, you have solved such type of puzzles, isn't it? And you like to play it. So we have to find out these national symbols in the word search. So shall we start? Okay. So the first one picture is the national tree, that is banyan tree. So where it is? Try to find out. Should I show you? Where it is written, first national symbol, it is written Banyan. It is banyan tree. Just a minute, children, wait. By mistake. Once again. Banyan. It is banyan tree. Okay. The next is our national game, that is hockey. Which is our national game? It's hockey. So where it is? Find out. Just see vertically also and horizontally also. Yes, here it is, the Hockey, hockey. The next is national fruit, that is mango. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Where it is? Try to find out. Mango. Yes, I got. Have you? Yes, here it is. MAN. Oops, it is wrong. Just a minute. MANGO. It is mango. Yes. Then national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. So where is the word lotus? Find out, children. Have you searched? I got. Here it is. LOTUS. Lotus. Yes. Then next is national flag, that is tricolor. Find out where it is written, tricolor. Horizontal also, vertical also. Where it is? I got. Here it is. TRICOLOUR. Tricolor. Yes. Then the next is our national emblem. That is the lion capital. 4 lions are there and the Satyameva Jayate, which is written below that emblem. So where is the word emblem? Find out. Yes, here it is in the first line. EMBLEM, emblem. Yes, I got. Now the next is national bird, that is peacock. Where it is? Find out. Search. Peacock. PEACOCK. First vertical line. PEACO. Wait. It is wrong. See. PEACOCK. It is peacock. Then next is national animal, that is tiger. Where it is? Find out. Even I am also not getting. Where is the word? Try to find out. Yes, here it is, vertically. Tiger. Tiger. Ha. Now the next is national currency. What is our national currency, children? It is rupees. What is our national currency? It is rupees. So where it is written? Rupees. Rupees. Here it is. Last line. Horizontally it is written Rupees. Below the banyan it is written. Understood, children? So you want to do another activity? Yes, this activity is from your textbook only. You want to see it? Okay, just a minute. Now, what you have to do here is, this activity is from your textbook only. What you have to do? See, everything is given. Take a sheet of paper, isn't it? Place a ₹2 coin under the sheet and trace the coin on the paper with the help of pencil. But remember one thing, the side of the coin that has the national emblem must be on the top. Coins have two sides. On the one side, the value is written, and the another side, our national emblem is there, lion capital. So, on the side, the national emblem is there, that must be on the top, and above that, you have to keep a sheet of paper, and then you have to trace it by the pencil. What will you get? What will you get, children? Yes, you can get the image of national emblem, that is 4 lions facing 4 directions. Easy? Will you do it? Interesting, no? Very good. Come on, start doing. Yes, children. Very good. And now I want to give you one activity which is your favorite activity. Isn't it? Everyone, you want to draw, you want to color the different pictures, isn't it? Am I right? Instead of study, I think you want to draw the pictures and color it, isn't it? So here is your favorite activity. You have to draw the different pictures, images, and you have to color it very nicely. See, here is your paper. National symbols. So on this sheet, there are different national symbols, and you have to draw it and you have to color it. Should I show you one example? The first one is our national flower, that is lotus. So see here, I am going to color it. What is the color of the lotus, children? Yes, it is pink color. So I will take this shade and I am going to color the lotus. Then I will take the green color. Yes. So like this, you also have to color this different national symbols. You know the colors. Again, I will take the yellow color and I will give it to the national animal tiger. And I will give it to the national fruit also, mango. Now I am going to take the green color. See here, like this. So in this way you can give the different colors, isn't it? Peacock, hockey stick and national flag, that is orange, white and green. So the first band you will give the saffron orange color, second band you will give the white color, third band you will give the green color. And what color you will give to the Ashok Chakra which is at the center of the flag? Yes, navy blue color. You will give the navy blue color to this Ashoka Chakra. Do you like this all three activities, worksheets? Yes, children. Very good. Now, some information is there, you can see on the screen. So this is my mail ID, that is ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org. So what you have to do is, you have to ask your doubts on this given mail ID, but only from Monday to Thursday. Whatever your doubts, you will write down and please send the mail to this given mail ID. Why Monday to Thursday? So that you can get your doubt clearance on Saturday. Every Saturday your doubt clearance should be there. So if you send the mail, I will read that mail, I will read the doubts, and according to that I will try to clarify your doubts. So understood? Remember my mail ID, that is ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org. This is my mail ID. Understood everyone? Write down the mail ID, children. Yes, very good. So this is all about our first lesson of SST, that is our national symbol. And I hope you are doing the revision and you are solving the exercise also, and side by side you are by hearting the question answers also. Understood? Once again I will tell you that if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask to this given mail ID, that is ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org, but from Monday to Thursday only, so that you can get your doubt clearance on Saturday. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself and your family. Bye.